Hello everyone, how you are doing? Today I'm going to be making a birthday cake. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share to your friends, and feel free to leave your comments below. If you want to know how I made this beautiful birthday cake, come with me to the kitchen. Let's get started. I just add groundnut oil. You can cream with butter if you like, but I'm using groundnut oil now. Just rub the pan. After rubbing with the groundnut oil, I'm going to pass the flour. Just do this. This is it, my pan. You have this, you can put it at the bottom of your pan. It's optional. It's not that necessary. You just put it at the bottom of your pan. The oven paper, just put it at the bottom. Okay. I'm going to whisk my eggs now. Birthday cake. Here I have my sieved flour. Here I have my sugar, my butter, which I just made with my microwave. Then I have some eggs, milk, nutmeg, baking powder, and my vanilla essence. The vanilla I'm going to be using powder. Let's get started, guys. First I'm going to pour in my sugar. I'm going to whisk until I get that fluffy thing. So I'm going to be using my machine to whisk this until I get that fluffy thing. So I'm going to do that off camera and we'll be right back. Yes, I've gotten the result I want. This is the butter and the sugar. Look at it. It has changed the color, and it is really exact the way I want it. So we'll start applying the eggs. We'll be doing it bit by bit. I will not just add all at the same time. After adding on my eggs, this is what we got. So at this junction, I'm going to be inviting the dry ingredients. I'm not going to add all at the same time. It's going to be bit by bit. So I'm going to do this, make it low, just like that. So I'm doing it with this, and it's no more on the plug, it's removed. As I'm adding my dry ingredients, I'm as well adding the milk. Okay. Okay, this is my mixture. This is all what I've got. So I'm going to pour them in my cream pan. Okay guys, I decided to make my cake two colors. This is the other color. This is the first one we have, and I decided to make chocolate to put on top. Okay guys, this is the outcome of my cake. Every measurement I use and ingredients, I'm going to leave them in the description box below. This is a birthday cake I'm going to be decorating. So on my next video, I'm going to drop how I decorate this beautiful cake. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.